This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to export your contacts from Brevo. Whether you're looking to back up your contact list, transfer your data to another platform, or simply manage your contacts more effectively, exporting them from Brevo is a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to brevo.com. Open your favorite web browser and type in the address. This will take you to the Brevo homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the option labeled CRM and give it a click. The CRM, or Customer Relationship Management section, is where you manage all your contacts and interactions. Clicking on this will bring up a new set of options. Now, from the CRM menu, you want to click on Contacts. This will take you to the Contact Management page where you can see all the contacts associated with your Brevo account. It's important to pause here for a moment to ensure that you're on the right page, as this is where you'll be selecting which contacts to export. Next, select the contact or contacts you wish to export by checking the checkbox next to their names. If you want to export all your contacts, there should be an option to select all, usually at the top of the list. Make sure you're only selecting the contacts you need, as this will make your export process more efficient. With your contacts selected, look towards the top or the side of the page for a button labeled More Actions. This button is typically situated near the contact selection options. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering you a variety of actions you can perform on your selected contacts. From this drop-down menu, click on Export. This will open a new dialog box or window where you can customize the details of your export. Here, you have the opportunity to select specific attributes, system data, and subscription settings that you want to include in your export file. Take a moment to review these options carefully. Including the right data will ensure that your export is both comprehensive and useful for your future needs. Once you've made your selections, the final step is to click on the Start Export button. This will initiate the export process. Depending on the size of your contact list and the amount of data you're exporting, this process might take a few moments. You'll probably receive a notification or an email once the export is complete, and you'll be able to download your file directly from Brevo. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully exported your contacts from Brevo. Remember, regular exports can help keep your data safe and ensure that you always have access to your contact list, no matter what. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.